Pour begins on line 3. Temperature steady at 1400.
Copy that. Mold integrity confirmed. You're clear for full flow.
Flow rate nominal. Gold bar weight projected at 58 kilos.
Looks good. Crane 2, prepare for reload.
Sequence is smooth. Temperature's holding at 1200.
Got it. Mold 6 is clearing. No slag buildup. Conveyor speed steady.
Good alignment on the next batch. I'm logging the batch ID now.
Copy. Cooling stack looks perfect. It's like watching money being born.
Recipe locked. Batch 4 ready.
Temperature holding at 950. Ready for the next pour. Skim cycle running smooth, temperature holding steady, conveyors catching all the slag.
In the heart of the refinery, gold is purified one plate at a time. Automated frames lower the anodes and cathodes into the electrolyte, where a quiet storm of bubbles begins the transfer of atoms. Overhead gantries glide.
Ready much last batch?
All right.
I'll log it.
Sure. Okay.
Second. Drying temp steady at 102.
Number 3 is at 56%. Batch G76215 verified.
Copy that. Temperature?
1122 and climbing. We'll hit target in about 5 minutes.
Good. Let's confirm as soon as the plates are in. Next batch is on deck.
Confirming now. Done. Uploading status to Central.
Temp curve's holding steady.
Feed rate's perfect. Strip looks flawless.
Long ribbons of gold enter the annealing tunnel, bathed in incandescent heat. Inside, the strip glows like liquid sunlight as it glides forward on rollers. It emerges perfectly flat and begins its controlled cool, traveling onto the precision roller table. From above, the scale of the line...
Oil's clear. Drop it onto the feed table now.
Copy. Cygnus reading looks stable. Looks like we're at 0.60.
Tension trending right in the window. Let's send it through the polisher.
A fresh bar slides into position. The first brush just kisses the edge, lifting a lace of sparks and fine silver dust. Each station takes its turn, abrasive wheel, fine bristle brush, working in perfect rhythm as the conveyor never stops. Behind the glass...
From raw blanks to mirror perfection, every pass of the wheel erases another layer of imperfection. Hundreds of bars glide through in formation, each one measured, polished, and checked. And with a single touch, a batch is...
Indexing looks smooth. Next run is ready.
One surface alert popping up on line 2.
Got it. Minor scratch, already clearing.
Good. Yields holding steady.
Tamper-evident tape is pressed across each box seam, locking the flaps with a clear strip patterned in orange security print. Finished boxes roll forward, ready for stacking. A robotic arm lifts 3 at a time and builds a perfectly aligned column. Workers verify each seal and apply holographic.
Every layer lands exactly where it should. Perfect edges, perfect alignment. Twin Delta robots build square, stable pallets at over 20 boxes a minute, with pad sheets between each level. Workers simply feed empty pallets and slip sheets. The cell takes care of
Evolves. In orbital wrapping, precision is everything. Clear film is drawn tight across a tension roller, then spirals around the load as the pallet turns, building layer after layer of protection. Corner boards lock the edges in place, and with multiple stations working in sequence.
Weight stable at 1223.47 kilos.
Log to batch AH0428, sending to Vault Q.
Copy. Gates green.
Forklifts on standby. Transfer in 5.
Pallet 47 is heading to Vault Bay C. Confirmed.
Copy that. Route is clear. Hold. All right, straight through. You're good. Keep it moving.
Next inbound from receiving will be at intersection 3 in 30 seconds.
Got it. We'll stage the lane.
Verified. Access granted.
Pallet 4, proceed to dock 2.
Copy.
Locking clamps engaged.
New pallet log. Position H427C confirmed. Copy that. Audit sample coming your way. All systems clear. Vault secure.
Purity check complete. 99.99%.
Excellent.
Batch 47A approved. Moving to packaging now.
That's ready for delivery. $99.999. Perfect.
Line force total just past 1,042,000. Keep an eye on that.
Copy. Sample tray reads 5960. Matches digital.
Good. Mark it off.
New tray coming in from line 7.
Add it to the manifest and we can close the batch.
Pallet 4B27 coming up.
Copy that. Slotting to bay 3 now.
Manifest matches, seals intact. You're good to load.
All set. Rolling back for the next one.
Pallet 4B27 coming up.
Copy that. Slotting to bay 3 now.
Manifest matches, seals intact. You're good to load.
All set. Rolling back for the next one.
As the sun dips low, the gold refinery comes alive in a wash of amber light. From the stacks, clouds of steam rise and curl into the evening air. Miles of conveyors thread the buildings together like arteries, feeding the heart of the operation, glowing at the edge of the river.
I've got a stall on conveyor 4B. See that?
Copy. Resistance spike just came through.
Flagging maintenance. Keep the line moving.
Shift Bravo taking over. Tablet signed in.
Welcome aboard. You see the alert in Sector West?
On it. Maintenance team dispatched. Status lights updating now.